Do you know there's a free software available that'll allow you to sort and manage your files that you save to your scan tool? It's called Shopstream Connect, and you can get it off the Snap-on Diagnostics website. So let me walk through installing it and how you can go through moving about files and printing and things like that. So first off, you'll have to open up your web browser, and you're going to need to go to the website to download it. It's diagnostics.snapon.com/SSC. It's going to come up with this page right here. Now on the top right-hand side of the page, you can see where it says Download Shopstream Connect Now. So all you got to do is click on that. It's going to open up another page. It's going to ask for a little bit of information for you, just what kind of diagnostic tool you're using, first, last name, that sort of thing. Then it'll give you a download link. I already went through that, so I have the install package right here on my desktop. So I'll just double click on that, hit run, and have it install for me. Okay, once it's done, just click Finish to finish, and we're installed. So once it's installed, over here you'll see the icon for Shopstream Connect right there. So I'll just double click that to open it. So once it's open, you're going to also have to connect the scan tool to it. So we'll hook up the USB cord there, and then it's under the Tools menu, and then connect the PC right there. And then it'll say it could be connected to PC as a storage device. So hit Continue. And now it's in Connect to PC mode, and it'll come up inside Shopstream Connect. There's my Solus Edge right there. Click on Solus Edge, and you can see here's all the different files that are on the tool. So XML, these are the lists of codes. So say you scan a car and you get a list of codes back, you can pull this file up as an XML file, and that'll pull up that list of codes for you able to print, and you could show a customer, here's what's wrong with your car. So this is a code scan I did. See, it had 18 systems detected, how many codes were in each system. And then if you go down a little bit further, it'll show you what those actual codes were by system. Right? So like I said, you could print this out, you could save it, archive it, that sort of thing. Next one's bitmap files. So these would be all the screenshots. There's a SureTrack tip. All right, so there's that as well. And then over here, we also have different movies. So if you save a road test, you can play the road test back as well. So let's save this SCM, so that's a scanner movie. So this will allow you to look at up to 16 things in graph form at once. So here's my road test right here. You can see across the top, I have my different views. So let's pick 16 graphs. So there I have 16 graphs on the screen. And you can choose which ones you want just by clicking and selecting different functions. You can also do a custom data list if you want. Select different ones. There's a whole user's guide online for this. All right, click out of that. All right, and then another thing that you can do is you can go, any of these files on this tool, you can just drag them over to your own hard drive. Say you want to archive them, save them for later, save them to a customer file, something like that. So simply take the file that you want, move it over. Say I want to put it on this hard drive right here. I can just drag it, drop it, copies it over for me. So it's very powerful, free software that you can use, and it works with any Snap-on scan tool to read all those files, save them, archive them. Very powerful.